What's up guys, and the time has come. You're looking at the official first look at the iPhone XS, courtesy of 9to5mac.com. Along with that, we also have our first look at the official new Apple Watch Series 4. For the first time, we're going to see the Plus iPhone version with this new bezel-less Face ID power design that Apple introduced last year, something the Plus users have been missing a lot. And in case you don't know, Apple will be announcing these iPhones on September 12th event. They're gonna introduce the groundbreaking round iPhone. Okay, that's not gonna happen. It's the tagline they're using for their new campus, which is like in this round shape. But yeah, the iPhones are not gonna be round and they're gonna look like this. So we have the iPhone XS 5.8-inch OLED model and the iPhone XS 6.5-inch OLED model. Both of these two iPhones will be called as iPhone XS because Apple is expected to drop the Plus name this year. And then there's also going to be a third iPhone, which is going to be the iPhone 9 for that $700 range, and it's gonna come later in October, but it will get announced along with these iPhones. The 6.1-inch LCD display, same internals as the iPhone XS, but with a single camera and no 3D touch. And again, that will come in October, but the iPhone XS models are coming in September. So specs-wise, we're gonna see an Apple A12 CPU built on 7nm process, which is going to be insanely powerful, and it's gonna have an incredibly powerful GPU as well. I mean, this thing will going to be unbeatable when it comes to the benchmarks and raw power. We'll likely see 40GB of RAM on the XS model and 3 on the normal model. They might bump the RAM on both versions. We don't exactly know. With the iPhone XS 6.5-inch model, you're definitely gonna get a battery above 3000 mAh size because it's going to be such a big iPhone, and I don't think Apple would have like a 3000 mAh size. I mean, it has to go beyond that. Something around 3500 or 3400 will be enough for this. And along with this, we're gonna see a slightly bigger battery for the 5.8-inch version as well. Now, the iOS 12 will be on board, and with the Plus model, you're gonna get some features like split screen, like using 2 applications at once, like you have been doing on the Note phones for, I don't know, since you were born. And possibly there might be some Apple Pencil support as well in order to rival the Galaxy Note, but we have heard that might not happen. Again, we'll see about that. The cameras will be further improved. There will be no triple cameras this year. They will probably retain the same camera specs and resolution as the iPhone X, but with a better sensors. The AR is going to be a big part of the new software as well. Now, along with this, we also have our first look at the Apple Watch Series 4, which is coming with the redesigned look. It's thinner. It's going to be better with durability, better water resistant, and some new software features. I gotta say, it looks hella premium. And the iPad Pro Face ID model is also expected in 10.5-inch screen size, but it's going to be with bezel-less design. So because of that, it's going to have a much smaller body, and also it's going to have the latest Apple A12 CPU with the better cameras as well. So that's everything that Apple is expected to introduce on September 12th. I gotta say, the iPhone XS, the 6.5-inch version, is going to be the one that I am interested in because I've actually missed the Plus a lot last year, so that's gonna be amazing to check out, and I can't wait to test out the Apple A12 CPU because these chipsets from Apple are just so powerful. So I'm really excited for that. Let me know what are your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Again, the iPhone 9 will be coming later with a cheaper price. So I want to hear your thoughts about this, the official first look at the iPhone XS 6.5-inch and 5.8-inch version. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.